Good morning, my beautiful angels. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Glitterbels haul. Now I've bought a couple of these mystery boxes. You either had the choice of the gel or the acrylics. Now what they're doing is you get a choice out of 5 gel boxes, 5 acrylic boxes. So I ordered 2 gel, 2 acrylics. I opened up the box because I was going to try and figure out which was which, but thankfully this month, oh, they're upside down. There's a label on it, so this is the gel mystery box, box 1, and I also ordered box 2. I will probably do a separate video because I don't want the videos to be super long, opening the acrylic ones. So yeah, I thought I'd start off with the gel. So, oh, this freaking camera. I think I've broken the holder. You see, this is going to piss me off now. Hopefully it should stay. So box 1, let's remove these peanutty things. Right. Ooh. Okay, let's get these out. Okay, so we will start off, this is really cute, with a Glitterbels picker-upper. Cute. So there is that. Then we have, ooh, rainbow top, no wipe top coat. Oh, cute. I'm not sure you're going to see this, but it's got tiny bits of glitter in it. And as it says rainbow, it is. There's all different colours in that. Very pretty. Then we have a gel polish, which is Hema free, and this is With a Bang, which is a blue. Very nice. And oh, I like this. It's like a berry. This is Magical Moment. It's like a reddy brown, but then we all know my eyesight is a bit fooked. I like that. Can't wait to swatch it. Now these ones are 8mm and this is 17mm. And then, oh gosh, then we have a Unbelievable gel, which is You're on Hold. Now I'm going to have to open this because they are sealed. They don't have the little lip where you can pull it, so give me a sec and I'll open that. So there it is, I have it open. It's You're on Hold. It's kind of like a kind of burnt orange. On camera that looks red, but it's not, it's like a, I don't know. What I'm going to do is get some swatch sticks, swatch all these, and we will have a look. Okay, so hopefully I have fixed my stand for my camera. So hopefully it's not going to move this time. Right, so I haven't got any more of the little swatch sticks. So I've just put a coat of not top coat, base coat over these, and give these a swatch. I should really do this glittery one over a colour, but I'm gonna have to hurry up because of the, what's it? Let me zoom you in a bit. The dustbin men are coming. So again, there's that one. Yeah, you're really not going to see this. This was bloody pointless, wasn't it? I mean, you might see it. No, alright. Do you know what? I'll paint it black when I do a second coat on these other ones, and then you'll see it. So we're going to do this blue, which is with a bang. So there's beautiful blue. Just gorgeous. I will pop you there. Where's my black? Oh, I'll find it in a second. Then there's Magical Moment. Yeah, it's like a berry. So there is that one. Now for the Unbelievable gel, which is in You're on Hold. Oh shit. Okay, just ignore that, alright? No one saw that. Because these are normally quite like thick, they don't move. But I think it's because it's quite warm. Okay, I don't like this colour. It's like, I don't know. It's like a brown, like orange. I don't know, it's going to grow on me, I guess. Right, I'm going to clean this up, get a black and then put the rainbow top coat over the top of that. Okay, sorry if you can hear the noise, it's just the dustbin men have pulled up. So the Unbelievable gel, which is called You're on Hold, Looks like that. So I've done it in shiny and in matte. I really like it in matte, you know that. Then the blue one, which is called With Bang. So there's shiny and then matte. And then Magical Moment. I mean, there's a few bits of fluff in that, but just ignore that. But really beautiful. And then again, I will show you, I didn't do it in matte, the black with the glitter. Stunning. So there are 3 colours altogether. And then the black with the glitter. Gorgeous. Right, now I know this video has gone on for a very long time. I'm probably going to do box 2 in a separate video, and then I'll try and speed it up. I will obviously, it's not obvious, to me it's obvious. I'm going to do the swatches off camera just to save some time because the video's gone on for long enough. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. These are all the products that were in box 1. So yeah, anyway, I'm off to record box 2. Right, I'm going. Alright, take care for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.